Hello,
Yeah, hello.
what's your name?
My name is Minh Trí.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like people in there and in many house because the house have a bright colors and people have a kind, friendly. Yeah.
Cool. What do you dislike about your neighborhood?
Mm, a roof because I uh, I I cannot play badminton. The shooter cook always on the roof.
Ah. Are computers important to you?
Um, I think this help uh, can protect the house, can the rain not in the house.
hmm Computers, though, a computer,
Computer.
a PC, laptop.
Yes,
Why do you like them? Why are they important?
I think this help me not stress and I can play video games, meet friends in there.
Cool. Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
Uh, Sometimes I cooking at home, but I always eating out.
City or countryside?
It's countryside.
Why?
This not a big area and not have a lot of people.
Cool. Very good, Tree. Well done. That was good.